Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sangeeta Chaudhary. I'm a consultant physician and today I'm making this video so that I can share certain informations regarding the variant of COVID-19 or SARS-CoV2 with you. These days, every time we are listening about variants of COVID-19, variants like South African variant or ukvariant or Doublemutant variant. Now, what exactly a variant is? A variant is a strain of the virus which is slightly different from the original strain or the first strain of the virus. We know that the viruses are undergoing constant changes in their genomic sequence. But most of the time, these changes in the genomic sequence does not alter the biological property of the virus or how a virus behaves. Rarely there are certain changes or mutations at the genetic level which will result in alteration of the biological property of the virus. By alteration, I mean by these group of mutations, the virus may become more virulent, they may become more infectious, or they may be able to escape the immune system of a person. Just for example, I can share that most of the available vaccines against COVID-19, they use the spike protein as the antigen. So once we are vaccinated, we will develop antibodies against the spike protein of the SARS-CoV2. But imagine if there is a mutation which alters the spike protein of the SARS-CoV2, then these mutant viruses may easily escape our immune system. Okay, so this is why we are very much concerned with the variants of COVID-19. As per the CDC has classified the variants of COVID-19 into three groups. One is variant of interest, then variant of concern, and then variant of high consequence. Now, what does a variant of interest means? A variant of interest means this group of variants are found to be associated with altered receptor binding, and they may be associated with, that means there is a prediction that they may be associated with reduced effectiveness of the available treatment, or they may be able to evade or escape the immune system of a person. Now, what is a variant of concern means? A variant of concern means against these group of variants, there is clear evidence that they can escape the immune system of a person and they may reduce the effectiveness of available treatment. Okay, they may not be able to be diagnosed with the available diagnostic procedures. Okay, and what is a variance of high consequence means? A variance of high consequence means that there is very much clear evidence that they causes significant reduction in the effectiveness of the available treatment or the vaccines. Okay, so till now CDC has not identified any strain which comes under the group of variant of high consequence, but there are certain strains which are regarded as the variant of concern. Just for example, a double mutant variant which was first found in India. Now, let's talk about certain variants which are commonly found in India these days. Okay, there are 4 commonly found variants in India. What is UK variant? Now, it has been said that the UK variant is almost 50 to 70% more infectious than the original strain. Okay, and it may be associated with more virulent also, but the vaccines are effective against it. It is not able to evade the immune system of a person. Now, if we talk about the Brazilian variant and South African variant, they have a mutation in their genetic sequence which helps them to evade the or escape the immune system of a person. So the available vaccines may not be very much effective against them. Now, if we talk about the double mutant variant, as the name suggests, it contains two mutations, okay, which were previously seen with two different strains, okay. So these mutations again help the double mutant strain to escape the immune system of a person, okay. It also reduces the effectiveness of the available vaccines. Okay. So because the variance reduces the effectiveness of available treatment, it reduces the effectiveness of available vaccines, and it is also difficult to diagnose the variants with the available diagnostic modalities. So it is very much important to keep a track of this variant. Now, what can we do? What we can do is that we should be able to know the extent of spread of these variants. We should frequently be doing genomic sequence to identify the strains, okay, different strains of variants, and how much they have spread in the community, okay. And we should be finding a way to prevent the spread, okay, and we should be finding more effective treatment against this group of variants, okay. So this is in short all about the variants of COVID-19 and their significance. Thank you so much for your patience hearing.